Right, in this video I'm going to open one of these nose trimmers. This is an older version. The new ones, they usually die within a few months of work, and this has worked for a long time, for so many years with no fail. And so I'm just going to open that for you and see, you know, what's the difference. And it has just recently stopped working, but this has been working for decades. And so I just want to show you what's inside there and what we can do about it. To open these, usually there is no screws, so you just open from the crack. You just pry it open with a flat screwdriver. You find your way. You just make sure you're not piercing through your own fingers. Put it on a hard surface. Right, this is what's inside here. You've got a jack for the charger, and this battery is actually rechargeable battery. You've got a switch here, which this one turns it on and off. It's actually working. So it must have been that must have been actually the problem, that wasn't engaging with this. So this is working fine. And motor, if you notice the motor here, it's a really solid, very heavy as well motor, considering its size. Compared to the new versions, they use those smaller versions, and even those nowadays they've changed them inside. I've seen a couple of those coming in different kits that I've had recently. Inside the stator, the wire winding is pathetic. The wire winding is very, very small number of turns of wire, of coil. So what happens, it actually works, the motor works, runs, but it drains the battery very fast. Those are the new versions of 2 to 6 volt DC motors that are coming out these days. But this is a very solid one, very good one. It works off this 1.6 volts or 1.5 volts. Usually these size batteries are 1.5 volts, and the charger for that is 1.6 output voltage from this adapter, and that gives me 1.6 volts output, 80 milliamps. This is a Philips. Philips are usually good when it comes to these kind of things, at least. So if anything ever goes wrong, it would be the battery. It won't be anything else, or possibly the switch, but anything hardly is going to go wrong with that motor. So this is the way it is, and we put it back together. Simply press it back in, and you can see it's working fine. And recently I ordered the new one because I thought these are probably on their way out, but as you can see, there is still a lot of life in these, and the battery charger is going to work charging the battery for a long time to come. I've got a set of 2 of these. I've opened the other one just to show you, but just decided to open that one right in front of the camera. I opened this before. So the battery is a nickel cadmium rechargeable battery. That's just the jack, and that's just a switch. There's nothing special about it. There's no fancy electronic chips or anything, which we don't need. And these days can be actually dangerous. So this is it. This is your inside of your nose trimmer. Any questions, drop me a comment. I'll see them. I'll see all the comments and I'll answer them personally. And if this video has helped you, or any of the videos on my channel has helped you in any way, please subscribe. And if you want to support me further, you can buy me a cup of cappuccino. Thank you very much. Bye.